A. A for apple. Apple is red and sweet. A for apple. B. B for ball. The ball bounces high. B for ball. C. C for cat. The cat says meow. C for cat. D. D for dog. The dog is friendly. D for dog. E. E for elephant. The elephant is big. E for elephant. F. F for fish. The fish swims in water. F for fish. G. G for grapes. Grapes grow in bunches. G for grapes. H. H for hat. We wear a hat on our head. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. Fresh juice is healthy. J for juice. K. K for kite. The kite flies in the sky. K for kite. L. L for lion. The lion is king of the jungle. L for lion. M. M for mango. Mango is a juicy fruit. M for mango. N. N for nest. Birds live in a nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. Orange is full of vitamin C. O for orange. P. P for parrot. The parrot can talk. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. The queen wears a crown. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. The rabbit hops fast. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. The sun gives us light. S for sun. T. T for tiger. The tiger has stripes. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. We use an umbrella in the rain. U for umbrella. V. V for van. The van goes vroom. V for van. W. W for watermelon. Watermelon is juicy and sweet. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Listen to the music. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. The yak lives in cold mountains. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Z for zebra. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hat. H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jump. J for jump. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for moon. M for moon. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. for orange. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. S for sun. S for sun. T for turtle. T for turtle. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for whale. W for whale. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.
A for ant. A for airplane. A. B for block. B for butterfly. B. C for cow. C for car. C. D for drum. D for duck. D. E for eagle. E for easel. E. F for frisbee. F for frog. F.
G for goat. G for gamepad. G.
H for hula hoop. H for horse. H. I for iguana. I for ice cream. I. J for jump rope. J for jellyfish. J.
K for koala. K for kite.
K. L for Lego. L for lamb. L. M for mouse. M for marble. N. M for net. N for nightingale. N. O for octopus. O for oven. O. P for puzzle. P for penguin. P. Q for quilt. Q for quail. Q. R for robot. R for rooster. R. S for snake. S for slide. S. T for train. T for turtle. U for urchin. U for unicorn. U. V for vulture. V for video game. V. W for wagon. W for whale. W.
X for xenops. X for xylophone. X. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. Y.
Z for zip line. Z for zebra. Z. A for apple. A for ant. A. B for bat. B for ball. B.
C for cat. C for cup. C.
D for dog.
D for dot. D.
E for egg. E for elephant. E.
F for fish.
F for frog. F.
G for goat. G for grass. G. H for hand. H for hat. H. I for ink. I for insect. I. G for juice. J for jar. J. K for king. K for kite. K.
L for lamb. L for leaf. L. M for man. M for monkey. M.
N for neck. N for nose. N.
O for ocean. O for oar. O.
P for plum. P for parrot. P.
Q for queen.
Q for quail.
Q.
R for rope. R for rat. R. S for sun. S for sunflower. S. T for tap. T for tub. T.
U for uncle. U for umbrella. U. V for violin.
V for violet. V. W for well. W for water. W.
X for Swister. X for X-ray. X.
Y for yacht.
Y for yellow.
Y.
Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Z.
A is for apple. A is for angel. A is for ant. A is for alarm clock. A is for airplane. All right, now let's move to the letter B. B is for broomstick. B is for blocks. B is for blanket. B is for bread. B is for butterfly. C is for car. C is for cow. C is for chair. C is for castle. C is for cheese. Cracking work! Now let's move to the letter D. D is for drum. D is for dragon. D is for door. D is for duck. D is for donut. E is for elf. E is for eagle. E is for envelope. E is for easel. E is for egg. F is for fairy. F is for frog. F is for fan. F is for frisbee. F is for French fries. G is for goblet. G is for goat. G is for glass. G is for gamepad. G is for grapes. Brilliant! Now let's move to the letter H. H is for hat. H is for horse. H is for hanger. H is for hula hoop. H is for honey. I is for ice wand. I is for iguana. I is for iron. I is for ice cream cart. I is for ice cream. J is for jewel. J is for jellyfish. J is for jar. J is for jump rope. J is for jam. K is for knight. K is for koala. K is for key. K is for kite. K is for kiwi. Amazing! Now let's move to the letter L. L is for lamp. L is for lamb. L is for lamp. L is for Lego. L is for lemon. M is for moon. M is for mouse. M is for mirror. M is for marble. M is for milk. N is for nymph. N is for nightingale. N is for napkin. N is for net. N is for noodles. O is for orb. O is for octopus. O is for owl. O is for oven. O is for orange. Excellent! Now let's move to the letter P. P is for potion. P is for penguin. P is for pillow. P is for puzzle. P is for pizza. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quilt. Q is for quiet. Q is for quinoa. R is for ring. R is for rooster. R is for rug. R is for robot. R is for rice. S is for sword. S is for snake. S is for sofa. S is for slide. S is for sandwich. Fantastic! Now let's move to the letter T. T is for throne. T is for turtle. T is for table. T is for train. T is for tomato. U is for UFO. U is for unicorn. U is for urchin. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. V is for vampire. V is for vulture. V is for vase. V is for video game. V is for vanilla ice cream. W is for wand. W is for whale. W is for window. W is for wagon. W is for watermelon. Catchy! Now, let's move to the letter X. X is for X-ray. X is for Xerox machine. X is for Xmas tree. X is for xylophone. X is for Xenops. Y is for Yeti. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zombie. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. Z is for zipline. Z is for zucchini. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for newt. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for Uriel. V for Vulture. W for Wolf. X for X-ray tetra. Y for Yak. Z for Zebra. Ed, let's go! Alligator. A is for alligator. Bear. B is for bear. Cat. C is for cat. Dog. D is for dog. Elephant. E is for elephant. Flamingo. F is for flamingo. Gorilla. G is for gorilla. Horse. H is for horse. Iguana. I is for iguana. Jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. Hop, hop, hop. Lion. L is for lion. Monkey. M is for monkey. Narwhal. N is for narwhal. The unicorn of the sea. Octopus. O is for octopus. Wiggle those 8 arms. Penguin. P is for penguin. Quail. Q is for quail. Rabbit. R is for rabbit. Snake. S is for snake. Tiger. T is for tiger. Unicorn. U is for unicorn. A magical creature. Vulture. V is for vulture. Flying high in the sky. Walrus. W is for walrus. Big, strong, and whiskery. Xenops. X is for xenops. A tiny rainforest bird. Yak. Y is for yak. Fluffy and strong. Zebra. Z is for zebra. With black and white stripes.